In this question, you are asked to integrate 3x plus 1 by 2x square minus 2x plus 3. So as you can see, these are the form linear by quadratic, right? So what is the process? So first, you have the denominator 2x square minus 2x plus 3. So what you need to do is you need to write the differentiation of this denominator in the numerator. So what is the differentiation of this? 4x minus 2, right? That's the differentiation. Now, in the numerator, actually you have 3x, but in the differentiation you have 4x. So first, appropriately multiply this differentiation to adjust the x term. So you want 3x, but you have 4x, so I'll multiply it with 3 by 4. Now you have 3x. The x term has been adjusted. Next, let us adjust the constant term. So if you take, you have minus 3 into 2 by 2. So you have a minus 3 by 2 as constant here. But you need a 1. So what you write is you have a 1. You have subtracted minus 3 by 2, or you have subtracted 3 by 2. So you also have to add a 3 by 2. So effectively, the given expression is exactly same as this. So that is equal to integration of 3/4 of 4x minus 2 by 2x square minus 2x plus 3 dx. This goes separately, plus 1 plus 3 by 2 is nothing but 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 times integration of 1 by 2x square minus 2x plus 3 dx. So this original integral has been divided into two different integrals. In the first integral, you have the differentiation, exact differentiation upwards in the numerator. So this first integration is a very direct integration. The answer is log mod of 2x square minus 2x plus 3. So the first part can be integrated very easily. Now let us go to the second part. So in the second part, we have 1 by quadratic. So what is the integration of 1 by quadratic? You have to use the method of completion of squares, right? So I'll use that. So 1 by, so 2x square minus 2x. So this can be written as root 2x minus 1 by root 2 whole square. So root 2x minus 1 by 2 whole square is 2x square, the x square term is adjusted, minus 2ab. In 2ab term you have minus 2x, and you have a plus half here, but you want a 3. So 3, you have to subtract a half, so you have a 5 by 2 dx. So this is of the form a square plus x square. So the integration is related to tan inverse. So plus 5 by 2 times, the integration is 1 by a. A is root 5 by root 2. So root 5 by root 2, 1 by a, tan inverse of x by a. In the place of x you have root 2x minus 1 by root 2 by root 5 by root 2, and in the place of x you have root 2x minus half. X is being multiplied by root 2. So effectively you have to divide with root 2. That's an extra thing that you need to do. So this root 2 and this root 2 gets cancelled. So root 5 gets cancelled root 5 times. So root 5 by 2 tan inverse of. So if you take the LCM, you get 2x minus 1 by root 5 plus c. So the final answer is 3/4 log of 2x square minus 2x plus 3 plus root 5 by 2 times tan inverse of 2x minus 1 by root 5 plus c. So I hope you are understanding how to simplify linear by quadratic. So if I have to say the process analytically, I'll say it something like this. You should try to express numerator as some number times d by dx of denominator plus some other number. So we can find alpha and beta. This is alpha, 5 by 2 is beta. So some number times the differentiation of the denominator plus some other constant. So if you can write numerator in this form, then you can split the integral and get the answers.